Welcome back to another video. We're going fishing on the yellow breeches in Pennsylvania. So, I'm fishing in Pennsylvania, so we're going creek fishing. I'm gonna see if I can get on some fish. Got my little trout rod. Got a spinner on there. Then, I'm bringing a bigger rod, but right up there, I'm bringing the blue one. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all when we're there. We're at the spot right now. Got my gear all ready to go. This is the spot we're gonna be fishing at, so I'll get back to you guys if I can get any action. Peace out. Alright guys, we're back here fishing in the rain. Just doing some creek fishing, so see if we can get on something. Oh shoot, bad cast guys. Got this little spinner on. Fishing with a trout rod. It's pretty cold. So hopefully I can get on something. Got my buddies with me too. So hopefully we can get something. It's my tackle over there, so yeah. I'm gonna put this rod down. My big rod. Got some power bait on there. See, got some whale sperm coming down. You guys can see that? Doing some bobber fishing with this. So sit this in there and let it float down and see if I can get something. So yeah, I just gotta keep an eye on it because I'm not trying to get snagged right there, but I think it's in a good spot right over there, so hopefully I can get something. What up, guys? It's going where I don't want it to go. Power bait came off. As you can see, it's raining, so got the little hook on, 2 low switch shots and a bobber, but it's not working out for me, you know. Power bait keeps coming off. So do I. I said I'm about to put some on too. Bad cast, guys. Snagged. Or I had one, I don't know. I think I snagged or do I got one, guys? I'm snagged. I'm snagged pretty good. My drag's pretty loose, but take out my drag. Alright, I'll get back to you guys if I can get anything. Alright guys, we're back into it. We moved spots. Got my big rod set up right there. And lost my spinner, so I'm gonna be fishing this spoon. So not looking like we're gonna catch anything, but you know, fishing, you know, it's not always about catching stuff. So, alright guys, just need to try to get this. This up in here. You know, it's a rainy day. It's really cold, so can't get anything soon. Might pack up and leave. My friends went to a different spot, so see if we can get anything. But snagged, guys. See if I can get on the snags here. Ooh. Ooh. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this back, guys. Getting bad. I think I got it back, yeah. Yeah, I did. Okay, that's good, guys. Got this back. Got my spoon back, so that's good. Hope I can get something new. You know, not the biggest trout fisherman. I'm more of a bass fisherman, but I just love fishing. You know, I normally fish like lakes and ponds, but it's winter and I just wanted to get some content and go fishing. You know. But yeah. I'm gonna go check my big rod. See if there's anything on that. And yeah, guys, we're fishing in the yellow breeches, in PA. So yeah. Still got the card on. Yeah. Okay, guys. Not sure. It's kind of weird to cast, you know. See if I can get something, guys, you know. Even if something little. Oop, I'm an idiot, guys. Just cast it right over my own line. But I'm good. Guys, I might have something. I'm the bigger one. Let's see. No, I don't. Okay. It's funny. Just taking it down soon. Alright, guys. I'll get back to you guys if I can get anything. Alright, guys. Welcome back. It's been a little tragic so far. Lost some power bait. But we've been here for a while. It's starting to rain a little bit too hard. My hands are like starting to go numb. But I'm gonna cast and fish a little bit longer. But yeah, this is probably gonna be last clip of me fishing. So let's see if I can hook something for now. I go. But yeah. Oh, almost fell in, guys. Got this little, it's got the spoon on, you guys can see that. Yeah, packed up my big rod, didn't catch anything on that, lost a bunch of power bait. So, I don't know, guys. It's been a rough day fishing. This is new to me. My friends, the friends that I'm with, they're up the creek that way. They're more creek fishermen. I'm a bass guy. But I just wanted to fish, so this is a little bit new to me, so. Poor little cast guy, I'm so sorry. Hey guys, the rain's starting to pick up, so yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Sorry I couldn't get any fish for you guys, but probably not gonna post for a little while. Probably not till March, or when I get my new reel. It's gonna be my first my combo that I built, so. Yeah, guys, I'm probably not going to post for a little bit. Sorry about that, but we'll catch you guys in the next one. Sorry I couldn't get any fish for you guys, but this is beautiful, you know. It's not always about catching fish sometimes, but bye, guys. Peace out.